Oh, hello everyone, it's Susie here. Just looking at the market, I thought it'd be interesting to have a look at this market today because it looks like it's bouncing, and I do believe we'll see this market a lot higher than where it's been before. Now, let's just go and look at ADA on the charts at the moment. ADA looks very good, even though it's got a sell here. I do think it's probably going to start moving up. Let's have a look at the 4 hours more accurately for me. But we have got this sell here, but it looks to me like this could be a descending wedge starting to move up again. This market, as far as I'm concerned, is bull. There's so much money coming into this market, it's not funny. Even the Bank of America came out and said there could be US Treasury controls where the Fed manipulates the yield curve. So in other words, they sell the short end and they buy the long end bonds. And this market, as far as I'm concerned, there is so much money coming to the market, it's going to go bull. This looks like a descending wedge to me here. This thing could break up quite quickly. If we look at AGI, it looks pretty good as well. Most of the charts do look like this today, and they're all above the 200-day moving average, generally ready to move to the next level. AGI looks like it can get to 22 cents. Elgo, again, has moved up above its 200-day moving average or right near it on the 4 hours, and that looks like it can move up to about 123. Ambrosis looks fantastic today. This thing could probably go a lot higher, up to 6.5 at least, okay? If we look at it, Atom, not so good, but it has broken out of its downside, ready to move up. It's above the 200-day moving average over the 4 hour, which is great. AVIX is still under the 200-day moving average, even though the 9-day moving average over a 4 hour period is starting to move up. I'd rather buy things that are over the 200-day moving average. So for that one, I'd leave it alone. BCH, I don't buy. It's under the 200-day moving average, not for me. Let's check out Binance. Binance is a great story. I think Binance will take out its high again. There's no doubt about it. These guys are doing amazing things. So 350 is on the card. For this, you've got this, you've got consolidation, and now a move up again. And that's pretty much what we'll see here. BTC looks fantastic. I believe it will take out its all-time high again around that 59,000 for sure. Too much money coming to this market at the moment. So, I think we just hold what we've got. We've got trades on. BTT to get to 0.019. Still got Chiles. I like Chiles very much. I think this thing can go a lot higher. Okay, it's a great story, and this thing can go at least to 34, 40 cents. BBC starting to look good, but I wouldn't give my footing, buy anything on that at the moment. So DGB, still below the 200-day moving average. We don't need to be there. Dodge the same, L Dodge. Dot could start moving. There's been a lot of great information out there. Polka Dot just needs to look a little bit better with a green here, and then we're off to the races around $42, something like that. Engine looks fantastic. This thing's going to break out. You can just see that it's probably to $3, something like that. So very bullish. Engine, don't like EOS. Ethereum, obviously not. Let's have a look at Fun. Fun's been disappointing, actually. We did buy some, but this is not a great story here, okay? It's still under the 200-day moving average on the 4 hour period. And, you've got the 9-day moving average moving up, but I'd really prefer to see it over here if we bought any more of Fun. GRT looks pretty good. That's going to take out its highs again for sure. Around 294 looks fantastic. I don't like HBAR. HT is very cheap, but I'd like to see it's a bit more bullish, okay? It's Hubi token, very, very cheap. But right up to 26 and it's still at 15. It's a very cheap story, that. Icon looks okay. Yep, looks pretty good. We have got a few sells around, but I think the buyers are going to start to win this battle because this looks quite bullish overall for a 4 hour period. We've just been given a sell on that. We did buy some the other day around here. So, yeah, not too bad, but we'll just have to see on that one where it goes. Qcoin looks very good today. This thing, as far as I'm concerned, could easily take out $7 from here. It looks excellent on the 4 hours. Absolutely. It looks bullish as. What else we got? It's just Litecoin dominance. Wait a minute, Litecoin US. Again, this is going to break up Litecoin. I think it's very cheap at the moment, even though it's right on this 200-day moving average for the 4 hour period, and the 9 still below that. I just feel that this thing could really rocket up. It is underpriced, and I think it will go higher. Matic looks pretty good, actually, very good. MFST could break up above. This is very, very bullish here. This is a rounding pattern. When you get that, there's going to be a breakout on MFT for sure. Myth, we did buy Myth, looked quite good. I've got a couple of sells here, just have to see where that goes. We don't have a lot on, it's a trading one, so we'll just see where that goes. Neo looks pretty good. That thing could take out its highs again around $54. Actually, the technicals look fantastic. Nexo 2, OP, very interesting. I'm quite bullish this market, I have to say. I think it looks great. I think if you're not set, you need to get set, get long, and just hold. Everything I'm looking at here looks ultra, ultra bullish, I have to say. Maybe short term a little bit down, but not much. And then the bull comes, and that's that. Yeah, look, excellent. Right, everything. Look at Rune, looks amazing. That thing's going to break out. Looks amazing. Technicals look incredible at the moment. Wow. It's going through very quickly, but honestly, you just have to get long. Seriously. Look at V chain. Way. Look at that right through. It's going to take out 6 and go a lot higher. Incredible. Even what WTC is very cheap, very cheap. That thing could break out to $2 at least. Even Wirex is setting up for a big bull run. Past 200-day moving average, it's off to the races. Let's have a quick look. XRP, nothing. Still under the 200-day moving average, not great. If you've got any XRP, up, you're shifting it. Really. Tezos, interesting. Zill, same, interesting. Ox, wow, market looks ultra bullish. Anyway, guys, that's enough for me today. Just get long as far as I'm concerned. There's a lot of money coming in. So this looks so bullish. It's not funny.